we'd like to welcome you to the video for promoting our Franklin County United Way family of partners this year. And the whole purpose of this whole thing is so that you become more familiar with the partner agencies that you've been supporting, and we hope that you will continue to support. I'd like to tell you that, just a few years ago, we probably had over 20 partners. Today, we're down to 15. If you will help us this year and bring the family back, we'll be able to increase that number of families back to 20. So we're looking for some strong support this year, and thank you so very much for supporting the Franklin County United Way family.
Helping Hands is a local nonprofit agency that gives emergency financial assistance to the citizens of Franklin County. This may be in the form of electric power termination notices or rent for people who are about to be evicted, or some other things such as heating, fuel, prescription medication, and a number of other things, and some occasional surprises that we work with. We're very happy to be able to do it. We are very glad also to work with a number of agencies in the county back and forth within Franklin County.
Here at the Perinatal Center, we provide educational and support services for expectant families. The moms can come here for all their educational classes. If they need diapers, formula, baby clothes, car seats, we provide those as well. So we take care of the moms and their families.
Here at the Southern Virginia Child Advocacy Service, we've been serving Franklin County for 20 years. We're proud of the accomplishments and the hard work that our volunteers and staff have been able to provide through advocacy, education, prevention, and treatment for children and non-offending caregivers of family and community-based violence.
The Free Clinic of Franklin County is a place where people who are the working poor of the county, they could come and receive all the primary medical care that they need for themselves and their family. We service people from age 18 on up to retirement with Medicare. We don't provide any with federal funds, with Medicare or Medicaid. So what we're like the gap that a lot of people who do not have insurance, so a lot of times they need to come to us. They truly are the working poor. I mean, if this free clinic wasn't available in the county, they would not have a place to go. It would either they would have to go to the emergency room, or they would have to go without any of the type of medical care that a lot of us take for granted. We've been around for over 20 years. We just service the people in the Franklin County, and we need the support from the community and of course from United Way of Franklin County. They provide tremendous support for us.
Well, STEP has been around the community since the 1960s, and so we have been providing services to help people overcome barriers to self-sufficiency. Our agency is broken down into about 25 to 30 different programs depending on the funding year. We have 5 different components. We have a Head Start component, we have a Housing and Weatherization component, we have Life's Academy, which is our alternative school for children. We have Supportive Services component, which is a lot of our outreach programs, and then we also have our administrative component, which handles all of our HR functions and that sort of thing. And under each of those umbrellas, we have very different types of programs. Many of our programs are designed to work with children and families. We have the Senior Meals programs that work with elderly, and we have Early Head Start, which actually serves little infants and babies. So we serve all the way from newborns to very elderly people with our services.
We've been a partner agency with the Franklin County United Way since 1996, and throughout that time they've been very generous in supporting our efforts to recruit and train community volunteers to advocate on behalf of children who are abused and neglected. With the United Way funding, we've been able to accomplish great things. We've maintained our volunteer roster to advocate for children who suffer tragedies that most families, we hope, never see.
If it weren't for United Way, we probably would not be able to keep our doors open. The United Way money is used to help pay the overhead cost of the bills and provide books for the classes. But you know, without that United Way money, we would really struggle on keeping our doors open.
Franklin County United Way helps the free clinic by providing us that financial support that we need to run a medical clinic. As you can understand, a lot of the services that we provide can be very costly. It comes from like pharmaceutical medicines that our patients need. For some patients, it could cost them over $200 to even $500 a month. We provide the medicine for those people free. You know, the only thing that they would have to pay is what we call administrative fee, but it's very minimum. It's only $3. The other items that we need as a medical facility is equipment. Ultrasounds can be very expensive, but with the free clinic, we provide that service for free. And also to keep up with equipment is very costly. These are some of the items that we absolutely need from the funds with United Way. They help us, you know, take care of the working poor of Franklin County.
Funding from the local United Way is extremely important to our agency, especially in the last couple of years, due to all the funding cuts that have happened through the state level and especially the sequestration through the federal level. The United Way funding is local funding that we can use as local match money. For example, our Homeless Solutions grant, our funding for homeless people, required a dollar for dollar match, but we were not able to match any of those dollars with any other state or federal monies that we had. So we were able to take the funding from the local United Way and apply that as match, which enabled us to double and triple the money that we were eligible for to bring into our community. So it's extremely important to us that we continue to get local dollars.
If it weren't for United Way, I'm not sure we could still be in business. We get 4 quarterly checks a year, and all those always come at opportune times because, as I often say with a double negative, we never don't need money. So we're very happy to be working with United Way, and we've done this for a number of years, ever since we began in 1994 actually. So without United Way, it would be a terribly difficult problem to just stay afloat.
And the money that United Way gives to STEP helps in my programs for funding, such as the tax program. Anyone that makes under $50,000 household income can come in and we can do your taxes for free. We also have an IDA program that will help you get started on secondary education, owning your own business, or buying your first home. I also do the micro lending should you need a reliable vehicle to get you back and forth to work. We can help you with that as well.
Shelley Boyd. I work at STEP in the Youth Services Program, specifically the Teen Opportunity Program, which is an after-school program for at-risk kids. But I'm here to talk about the loan program through the Finance Department because I was recently awarded a loan and I was able to purchase a new vehicle. My vehicle was totaled and I only had liability insurance coverage. So I applied for that loan and was approved and was able to purchase the vehicle so that I could actually come back to work.
People that come here, they're always very thankful. They usually come up before they leave and say thank you, it was good. And I just think it's such a good thing to help people. We have children and we have adults. We have all different kinds of people.
Funding contributed to United Way goes directly then to the various agencies in the county. United Way is in the business of collecting funding to hand it right back out again to the agencies in the county, and we're one of them, one of several, which we appreciate very much. And for ourselves, about 90% of all the money we take in goes right back out to services. And for United Way, it's a pretty high percentage also. So we're very happy to be associated with United Way.
We really need the support of the county, of the community, to support United Way. Without your support, we wouldn't be able to be open as often as we are. Without your support helping United Way, we wouldn't be able to provide such a type of services that we provide. Not only do we provide medical support, but we also provide dental and we provide medicines for our patients. So we greatly need the support of the community to support United Way.
One way that United Way has helped is, of course, by helping us to keep our programs up and running. And one of our programs is the Child Safety Seat program, where parents can come and learn how to properly install their car seats. However, not everyone takes advantage of that. So I do provide a service here where they can come by and get their car seats checked. And it happened that one day a mom was headed home from work to pick up her child, and the child was still napping, and she knew that, so she had time to kind of, do something else, and decided to stop by here and let me check her car seat. So I checked her car seat. It was not installed properly, so I showed her how to install it and made sure that it was installed properly, and then I spoke to her about how to put her child in the car seat. In showing her how to buckle her child in the car seat properly, she said, "Wow, I'm so glad you showed me, because I did not have my child buckled up properly." She left then and picked up her child from the daycare, and within 5 miles from picking up the child and putting the child in the car seat, she was involved in a rollover crash. And when the crash stopped, it ended up on their roof, and she was turned around to look at the child, and the child was upside down in the car seat and looked at her and said, "Wee, Mommy, let's do that again." So if she had not come by here and gotten that car seat properly installed, I don't know if the child would have been able or survived the crash.
Hi, my name is Barb McGill. I'm the Executive Assistant for United Way. I handle all the office work. Everyone that sends a donation in, we put it into a special system. I take phone calls to help people that need assistance. I direct them to our different partners. Thank you for everyone that sent in your donations. If you don't know where to send them, they come to P.O. Box 446, Rocky Mount, Virginia 24151. If you need to call me, you can call me at area code 540-483-4949. I'll be more than happy to help you or assist you in anything that you need. We're looking forward to our campaign.
This right here is the facility that's been we're partnered with. You've just probably seen or you will see the video with the perinatal center, and we're right in the perinatal center, and we're very thankful to be here and be in this partnership with them, because as you will see, we have a beautiful facility here, and we look forward to working with you in the future as we proceed with our campaign on September the 12th.
Since the Franklin County Perinatal Education Center supports our families and helps our families, we want you to support the Franklin County United Way family.
So please support the Franklin County United Way family.
We want to urge everyone to please support the Franklin County United Way family, because we work as a family.
Please support your Franklin County United Way family.
Please support your Franklin County United Way family.
Please support your Franklin County United Way families.